Okay, tubers, today we're going to check out another van conversion. Based on the Ram 1500 ProMaster platform, it's another only in Canada conversion. Available for only 100,000 Canadian dollars, but at current exchange rates, only 76,000 American dollars. And here's the good news. You could export or import this into the United States if you really wanted one. So today we are going to check out the other 5 Mars unit here in Abbotsford at Fraserway RV, and this is the Imagine unit. It's on a 1500 Ram ProMaster. The color scheme may not be to everybody's liking, and the graphics are a bit like if you were 25 you'd really dig it, but if you're 50 or 60 you'd think it's just a little bit too bubblegumish. But that's just my thoughts. Now, I notice the fridge has already got a dent in it. Oh, it actually has a small freezer. Yay, I like it already. I'm not sure about yellow, but you may like it. 2-burner stove here, very nice. The fixtures, they kind of feel cheap, but they look nice at least. I do like the design of these cabinets though. They're very nifty. And we do have a cheap RCA microwave. I like the rear storage idea, and that even closes, makes use of the wasted space. It's got a reasonable sized wardrobe in the back. Of course, the chairs pivot for more seating. I like the idea of more cockpit storage up here on the roof. That is an excellent idea. Speaking of the cockpit, there we go. There's a nice view. And this is a great space-saving idea. The table actually comes out of the drawer and folds up neatly. Now, if you want a bigger table, there is one stowed in the back, which mounts here in the dining area. Now, this is a smart idea. A footstool with a toilet concealed inside. 2 functions in one, so that you can do number 1 and number 2. And this unit, believe it or not, comes with a shower. Albeit an outdoor shower, but it's still a shower. Look at that, folks. I guess you could just throw a tarp over the door and get her done. Maybe put your soap and shampoo in here while you are scrubbing the boys down. This is where your small little propane bottles fit in to run everything, and at least they are concealed. Unfortunately, you only get a 2,000 watt modified sine inverter to run all your goodies. It even has a forced air furnace, and it is also wired for cable vision. And I like the fact that they were smart enough to include USB jacks and a 12 volt. Peace, love, and joy. And this camper van conversion, other than just yellow, is also available in the following colors.